Have you ever tasted a tikka so soft, so creamy, and it melts in your mouth? Today I'm showing you the ultimate Malai Tikka recipe. Smoky, juicy, and insanely rich. No boring spices, no dryness, just perfectly marinated boneless chicken loaded with cream, malai, and secret tips even chefs don't tell you. Whether you are planning a party, barbecue night, or just craving something special at home, this Malai Tikka will steal the show. So grab your tikka stick, turn up the heat, and let's make the softest Malai Tikka ever.
Everyday food show, देखो जरा, hit the like, subscribe, करो अभी यारा.
I show the beat, yes.